Narrator, calm but stirring. Detroit. A city built on resilience, once known for industry, innovation, and comeback. And today, it's breaking ground again, not on factories, not on skyscrapers, but on the future of health, hope, and humanity. Cut to archival, black and white images of old medical labs. People looking hopeful, doctors, students. For decades, diseases have plagued us: cancer, infectious disease, neurological disorders. We have sought cures, treatments, answers. But for every discovery, there remain mysteries. For every patient saved, others still wait. Hook, dramatic shift. Close-up of construction photo, concrete being poured. Now, Wayne State University is stepping forward, breaking ground on a $200 million health sciences research building. A research powerhouse designed to confront four of medicine's greatest frontiers all at once. Scene: close shots of blueprint designs, lab spaces, vision renderings. Imagine walking corridors filled with scientists. Labs humming with cutting-edge equipment. Microscopes, genetic sequencers, cell culture rooms, imaging technology. All pushing forward the boundaries of what we know about human health. Voiceover plus graphics showing the four main areas of focus. This new facility will focus on four deep, urgent fields. Oncology, the study and treatment of cancer, where every second counts. Translational neuroscience, where brain mysteries might one day be decoded and diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's challenged. Systems biology, immunology, understanding how our bodies fight disease, orchestrate immune defense, and sometimes fail. Metabolism and infectious diseases, where rising threats like diabetes, obesity, and pathogens redefine what public health means in a changing world. Cranes Detroit, scene, the role of researchers. Students working lab animals, viruses under microscope. Why does this matter? Because these are not distant problems. They are here. Cancer touches almost everyone. Neurological illness strikes families without warning. Immunity can turn fragile. Viruses spread. Metabolic diseases, once rare, now widespread. Hook, narrator lowers voice. And because Detroit, with its history of struggle and reinvention, now has a chance to lead again, this time in saving lives. Scene: announcement ceremony, university leadership speaking, crowd cheering. Shovels breaking ground. On September 9, 2025, Wayne State University officially celebrated the groundbreaking. $200 million invested. A promise to Detroit. A promise to the world. Wayne Today +2, Wayne Today +2, cut to interviews or quotes paraphrased. University leaders say this building will not just be part of the university's research capacity, it will transform it. Teams working side by side, sharing data, ideas, breakthroughs. Local communities expect job creation, biotech growth, hope. Scholars see opportunity, patients see possibility. Scene impact visualization. From lab to community. Picture this. A researcher in the oncology wing discovers a biomarker, something in the blood, that reveals cancer months before symptoms appear. Or neuroscientists in the translational neuroscience lab develop imaging or therapies that slow Alzheimer's. Imagine immunologists deciphering why some people fight infections better than others. Or work in metabolic and infectious disease areas that prevents the next epidemic. Or better treats diabetes, obesity, heart disease conditions hitting vulnerable people hardest. Hook, raise stakes. These aren't distant dreams. They are the stakes of now, and the cost of failure is human lives. Scene: Detroit city shots, street-level impact. Patients, families, doctors, lab workers. This building is more than brick and steel. It is hope for local neighborhoods. For students who train in cutting-edge labs. For researchers who stay, build careers here. For patients who don't have to travel far for top-tier care. Scene: challenges, obstacles. Of course, building it won't be easy. Money must be managed. Equipment must be state-of-the-art. Collaboration across departments is complex. And science, it doesn't always work on schedule. But Wayne State, with its legacy, its resolve, its people, is ready for the challenge. Hook. Build suspense to our ending, because what happens inside this building will ripple outward. It will affect people with diseases now considered incurable. It will change the economic future of Detroit. It might just change how we treat disease forever. Seeing visual flourish, time-lapse renderings, lab animations, hopeful faces. And when this health sciences research building opens, it won't just be a facility, it will be a landmark. A symbol of what's possible when we invest in science. When the pursuit of answers becomes the pursuit of life itself. Closing, emotional poll question to audience. From Detroit to the world. From once broken streets to labs full of hope. This is not just about medicine. It's about humanity. What if the next cure is discovered right here? What if this building's work saves your life, or someone you love? Because in the end, science is not about buildings or grants. It's about people. And with quote fade out. Wayne State University, where the future of health starts now. Please like and share and subscribe.